LUTAAYA a male Ugandan, aged 28 years old. I'm a student doing agriculture. Currently, I'm at a family farm. It is a mixed farm. We have cattle, we also have piggery. At this farm, we feed these animals on elephant grass and also on silage. The biggest challenge we face a problem of pests and diseases. Diseases such as meningitis, and also some pests like fly and also animal ticks. But we have a veterinary doctor who usually comes in and help us when sometimes after 2 weeks, sometimes after 3 weeks, then he comes in and help us and treat these animals. My future plan, if I go to Denmark, I want to go there and get skills, because in Denmark they are very well, they have very improved advanced methods of farming. So if I go there and I get the skills, I'm gonna bring them back home so that I can develop this farm from local to commercial. Also to teach the local people, the local society, the new skills that I'm gonna get from them. So thank you so much. Thank you.